channel. I'm Crayon Fairy, and today I'm going to be doing something a little different. So I already filmed this once. I actually thought this was my Spearcraft Bookbox unboxing and was horrified to find out there was no book in it and was like, what the heck is going on? Then I realized after I wrote a heated email that it was actually a mystery box I'd ordered. I'd forgotten I'd done it. So note to self, always check your emails before you get annoyed at someone. So I wrote her a big apology email being like, hey, sorry, I realized it's a mystery box I ordered, so you could just leave my box coming, whatever. So the subscription box should be coming, and that'll be in the near future. But I thought I'd go back through the items and talk about them now that I know that they're not part of a subscription box, because when I looked at them originally, I was like, what does this have to do with High School Musicals? Absolutely nothing, I will point out. But the items in it were pretty good for the most part as regular items. So I'll go through it from the pile since I've already opened everything technically, and then I'll kind of go over my pros and cons. It wasn't crazy expensive. This was just like some of the stuff that was on their website left over from other boxes, which now it makes a lot more sense what's in here, because I was like, why is this such a random assortment of things? It's because you ordered a mystery box. The logic of it all just makes so much sense. But anyways, so first we have this beautiful scarf. I really like it. Has little stars on it. And it is very pretty. It's nice and long too, so you could really wrap this. And it would be good for head wraps too, which I do sometimes do as a 50s to 40s and 30s girl. Obviously I'm not dressed like that right now, but I do like to do the big head wraps and stuff, so this could look really pretty as a head wrap. I like the star print. Next we have, and I'm going to keep this on because I really like it. Next we have fingerless gloves. So these are a nice cable knit. They're a little bit tight on me personally, but I think the more I wear them, the more they'll loosen up, and then they're going to be very comfortable. So you can see they're like that, and if I pull my sleeve up, they do go a little longer, but they start to get a bit tight up there. So I'd probably just scrunch them up and keep them a little closer. But it's a nice cable knit, 2 of them. I'll probably wear these if you've watched my unboxing for Owl Crate from December. There was a cute set of Serpent and the Dove leg warmers that are kind of similar to this. So I think they'll look really cute together, and I'll wear them as a pair. Next we have this lanyard with Luna Lovegood. I probably will put this in a giveaway just because I already have a lanyard that's Kylo Ren themed and I love it to death, so I don't know what I'd do with this. But it's pretty cute. It has her just kind of standing, and then her face, whatever those are, the I can't remember what they're called, spec somethings. And it has just a clip. I personally prefer when they have a ring as well, just because when you have the ring, it's a little bit easier for you to clip things to them, like your keys and things. Next we have a bracelet, which I probably, again, won't wear because I have a big wrist and it won't fit. So it says, Off to Neverland. And there's a couple of little stars on there. There's actually a little green thing on there as well, and a little feather. So that'll be in the giveaway. As someone with a smaller, daintier wrist will enjoy that. We have this was the thing that I was like, what is this? I probably will try them. Astronaut food. I'm assuming this was in some sort of sci-fi themed box, which would make sense. They're freeze-dried, ready-to-eat space food, and it's bananas. Not entirely sure. I will probably try those out of curiosity though, because my brain is curious what space would be like. The next item was I Will Call You Beauty for That Is What You Are purse, and I'm assuming this is Beauty and the Beast themed. Sorry, my camera is reversing it, which is kind of annoying, but it has cute roses, and it's just a little clutch. Has a lot of little spaces, and again, that'll probably go in the giveaway because I have a nice purse that I use all the time. This is a little big for me personally. We have this pin. It says we are the 13 for now until the darkness from now until the darkness claims us. It's a magnet, and I personally don't know what this is from. So if you know, let me know in the comments. Just got this lovely little lady. I'm assuming a book. That would be the logical thing. So that'll probably be in the giveaway since I don't have any context for it. There is this little charm bookmark, which I've got all tangled. And it just says Hocus Pocus, or it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus, and it's got a witch hat and a broom. Just a nice little charm bookmark. Again, I will probably put this in the giveaway just because I have enough of these. so I don't really need another one. And for me, I just find these fall out of my books, but other people have really enjoyed them in the past, so I'm sure someone else will really like that. We have these really cute earrings, which I'm definitely going to keep. I adore them. They're just the Queen of Hearts heart-themed earrings. I might even wear those in my Spearcraft unboxing when it arrives. And next we have this. So I think this is from the Illumiphiles or Illuminate or something like that. I can't remember the title, but I've seen them before. Weirdly enough, it says Magical Reads Book Crate, so I'm wondering if they changed their name at some point, or if there's another book crate that she also makes. But yeah, they're okay. I'm not huge on the texture. They're a bit like soccer socks or something, like they're sweat wicking or something. They're really an interesting texture, but there's 2 sets, so I will throw those in the giveaway as well, probably 2 separate giveaways. There is this little light, which if I take the thingy out, you can see it has a teeny little light in there. It just says good vibes only. Again, this will go in the giveaway because I don't really have a use for this. It's not my style. There's a little charm. It says Grinshaw Magic, and it has a little book charm. Let me just put that so it's straight. I'll turn it. There you go. And that's pretty cute. I might keep that. I'll probably put that in the giveaway though, because again, it's not something that I'll use. This I'll keep because I really like this. So it's a little, another one of these bookmark things, but I just really like the charm on it. It's a little bit like the one I got in my owl crate. The little necklace that came with that had the little puff on it. Can't see myself, so I can't tell if this is showing. So I like it. It'll probably get displayed next to that. And I do like the little flower that's pressed in it. And then the last thing, which is probably the reason I ordered the box, is because it comes with this pillowcase with Pride and Prejudice. So this would have been the reason I ordered it. And it has Bingley, it has Elizabeth, it has Darcy, and it has the other sister whose name I should remember, but I'm completely blanking on. Elizabeth and Jane. Her name is Jane. So there's Jane, and then you can see it has a bunch of quotes on it as well. And it's pretty good texture. I like this a lot. I think my favorite items from this would be the scarf, the pillow, and then I also very much like the hand warmers and the little earrings. So that's what I ordered. Apparently this was a mystery box, so we're going to call this a haul video, which is exactly what it is. So there will be a giveaway with a lot of the items in here because, you know, being a mystery box, who knew what was going to come? But I really like the items that, like, I'm into these couple of items that I ordered. So I think it was pretty cheap too. I think it was like $20 or 25 bucks for a mystery box. So figured there was no harm in it. Anyways, that's all I have for today. We'll be doing the Spearcraft Bookbox unboxing in the next couple of weeks when it arrives. It ships on the last day of the month, so I don't expect it to be here that quickly. And then I also have another owl crate for January coming up and a scribbler box on the way. And I should have my February bullet journaling plan with me up later this week. I'm going to do a bit more on Friday. So I look forward to getting that up to you guys before the end of the month this time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. I'd love to hear what you enjoyed about these items and if there's anything in here that you wouldn't really like. And then also comment if you're interested in the giveaway, because I will have that probably happening along with the cream from last time. So if you're not already subscribed, that's going to be part of it. So might as well get on it. All right, well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.